Vivo is gearing up to launch the Vivo X300 Ultra on March 30th in China. Vivo X300 Ultra hands-on video look leaks. The phone will be 8.19mm thin. Phone is being positioned less like a typical flagship and more like a compact camera alternative. Vivo X300 Ultra will be available in black, silver, and green color options. It will offer a flat metal frame and will not include the camera button, which was present on the Vivo X200 Ultra. Main sensor, a 200MP Sony LYT901 sensor with gimbal-grade stabilization. A 200MP periscope lens that supports a 400mm size telephoto extender. Ultrawide, a 50MP Sony LYT818 sensor. A 50-megapixel front-facing selfie camera. A 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED with 2K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, with 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, supplemented by Vivo's custom VS1 and V3 Plus imaging chips, offering 16GB RAM plus 1TB storage. The global model of the Vivo X300 Ultra has appeared on Geekbench, scored 3,468 points in single-core and 9,644 points in multi-core tests. Equipped with a large 6,600 mAh battery supporting 100W wired and 40W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.